Okay, hey everybody, let me just take the, I'll take the light off of the camera in a second. I'm just going to run through a couple of flashlights. I've got 5 random flashlights that I just grabbed that were on my desk. And, I got another one hanging up here. An Evo Cricket with its magnetic base. There's an obelisk by the shed right up ahead here. So let me just shut off the light on the camera. There we go. And we're just going to shine at that obelisk. So this is the Evo Cricket. That's the most powerful throw it has right now. This one. It has a spotlight, which I shut it off. There's the spotlight, so that doesn't even reach. It's just immediate light. And then it has a red light. So, just the first one lights up the obelisk there. Okay. We will grab, what's this one? You think I know the names of these things by now. What is this one? Oh, this is the Bell and Howell light. Now this is a huge spotlight. Let's see if I can focus that. Okay, that really, look at that light there. Let me just show you this light real quick. Get the Nebo. Yeah, that's the Bell Howell. I think this is a Canadian Tire. Got this one at Canadian Tire. Okay, so you can really, this has focus on it, right? So you can zoom it out, and it's more of a spotlight, and then you can focus it in. And this has got a couple different features other than that. So so there's the kind of like the emergency light, and then there's the SOS mode. So that's a pretty cool flashlight there. And it's still, you can still see the obelisk. Okay, so that's a Bell and Howell. Up next, we will use the Lux Pro. I think this one came in the Gear Pack welcome box. So this is the Lux Pro 420. So let's see if we can. Okay, you can see the obelisk. This has got more of a softer yellowish light to it. This one you can't focus at all. And it just has the 3 modes. So have your like emergency mode, bright, and then soft mode there. Okay. Up next, we're going to use Coast G20 EDC light. You see the size of it there. And okay, so this is a very soft light. It's more of like a spotlight, if anything. So you can't focus this one, and it doesn't have any other modes to it. So you could barely, like, you can't really even see the obelisk with the camera anyway. But it's got immediate toss to it, so it weakens up a bit, but that's a big like spotlight. Okay, up next we're going to use an LE This is a C120. And it's a small, like, pen light kind of size flashlight, just like the previous one. Let's see what this one can do. Okay, so you can see the obelisk. It casts a very, very big light. It is kind of, it is in between like a whitish and yellowish light. It is very bright though for its size. I think this is like a Chinese flashlight. But yeah. Okay, and the last one I have on me is the Through Night T10-2. Okay, this is one of my EDC flashlights that I carry with me all the time. Okay, let me just see here. This one you got to play with a little bit to get to the features. So, okay, there's the brightest setting right there. Okay, and you can make it out. You can make out the obelisk. It's a very yellowish light. That's its most powerful setting, I think. But there you'll notice, like, I don't know if you can, the camera will pick this up, it's a very yellow light. Now, kind of disappointed I didn't get to bring up my old light. I totally forgot to grab it. But there's a look at a couple of, about 6 different flashlights. Okay, later.